Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have our Lush kitchen box full of bath goodies, so let's get into it. Check it out. Tell you, I get this Lush kitchen box and I like it. I like it a lot. I have had a couple of people ask questions lately about, because I get Nikki's box from her Etsy shop, Southern Fleek bath. People have asked if I can go through all of the bath stuff. I'm embarrassed to say, yeah, I can. I like to take baths. I like to bathe in the morning for cleanliness. I have to, you guys know I'm an everyday hair washer. I'm trying to be better about that. But then sometimes in the evening, depending on what I've done for the day, I just want to run, especially in the winter, a nice hot bath, drop in one of my balms, relax, put my earbuds in, listen to some music, that kind of thing. So yeah, I do go through all the bath products. The Lush kitchen box is now a North American product. When I started getting it, it came from the UK and they shipped it over, and when it got here, it usually looked like it had been hit by a truck. I still got it. All of the products I received were always fine to use, but now that it saves you about $10 a box, I will put the link below. I'm not an affiliate. They don't care about me. Not that they don't care about me, but you guys know what I mean. They don't offer me anything to give you guys for a discount. I wish that they did, but it ends up being still about $59. So it still ends up being about $60 instead of $70 like the UK one was. You usually have 5 products. Price-wise, it's generally worth what you're paying. You don't have choice, but the products you get usually come very close to equaling what you would have paid if you had bought a like product from their store. And this is what I'm talking about. I think I see a Lush tote bag. Keep your cool, you could be wrong. Keep your cool, you could be wrong. 2023 is calling. So this is probably my January box. I got notification that my February box was shipping, but then I got an email yesterday, and today is, I think, the 5th or the 6th, that there was a problem with it and it would be shipping a little late, which is obviously fine with me because I'm just now doing January. Let's party like it's 1995. This January, we're transporting you back to where it all started, the 90s, baby. Rediscover all-time favorites in this curated time capsule packed with our beloved classics from the 90s and early 2000s. See, so that's why I like Lush, because I'm an old Lushie and I have all of those warm, fuzzy feelings about some of the older products, and that's what they do in the kitchen box, is they bring back special editions just for people who subscribe to this box of older products. And I have to quit reading because it wants to tell me what is in there. We also get this paper, which I can't show you because it has my address plastered across the top of it, but it has pictures of what is inside here. So I'm going to try real hard not to look at that. And it really doesn't tell us anything about it. Oh, it is a tote bag, except to say that what ingredients are in it, which you guys know I appreciate because there are ingredients I can't use. Oh my gosh, my golly. How awesome is that? It is just a tote bag. It is a good sized tote bag. Can you guys tell how big it is? Just says Lush. Look how long these handles are. Guys, I can wear this. This is big enough that if you were going out, you could, like, if you're going to the library, you could put your library books in it and sling it over your shoulder for your takeouts and your returns. It is just a nice, lightweight, Lush tote bag. It is fair trade cotton. It is neutral, certified responsible. Even this is, of course, stands for all of the Lush things. It is 100% organic cotton. It's already winter for me. I love tote bags. Truth be told, I might have a slight tote bag problem. Is it a problem if you use them? I don't have a stack of tote bags sitting somewhere in a corner. I use them. I take things to my daughters, to my mom's. I'm always grabbing different tote bags because I put stuff in them like, okay, well, next time I go to my daughter's house, I want to, obviously I say her name, but, and I put all the things that are going there. Same with my mom, so that I can just grab and go. Grocery stores, shopping, takes a lot of tote bags. Okay, reaching in right on top. We have a burgundy nugget that looks like a gnocchi, the world's biggest gnocchi. I say that because it has the thumbprint in it for holding sauce. Am I hungry? I don't think I'm hungry. That is what it looks like. Oh, it smells good. What does it smell like? I can't do this with Lush because the Lush products, they blend so many things that I just really can't. Vetiver, maybe. This is Auntie Pamela. It is a bubble bar. It is 3.5 ounces, made in Canada. Crumble under warm water and create lots of bubbles. And I will tell you, like I always do, you can use this whole thing. I have taken to using a whole thing because I am getting them more frequently between this and my Southern Fleek. I have taken to using whole ones, and it is so indulgent. It just feels so decadent to just do a whole big one of these and fill it. You get so many bubbles in this scent. It scents my whole downstairs. I love that. Anyway, the call out ingredients in this that might have scent are Rosa Damascena, vanilla, ylang ylang, gardenia, chamomile powder. There are dried rose petals in it. That's all. I wouldn't have said rose. Maybe when I use it, it will have more of a rose scent to it, but just sniffing it right now, I barely would have guessed floral. It's just quite lovely. I got a little bit of the gold glitter on me. That's fun. Next out, oh, we have a bath bomb. Ooh, that's pretty. It looks kind of like a Avo, but it's not because it's yellow and green. The top is octagonal with the Lush imprint in it. This says that it is Slammer, and it is a 7-ounce bath bomb. Citrusy. Yeah, my takeaway from this is a very light, nice citrus scent. This is lovely. This might be tonight's winner. I don't even know what else is in there. This has lime oil, cubeba oil, Sicilian lime oil, gardenia extract, and fragrance. I don't get gardenia. I get all of the citruses, but oh, it smells so good. Next out, we have a Starcraft. This is a facial cleanser. Wow, I haven't seen this in forever. It says, cleanse the Milky Way. This gentle blend of creamy oat milk and calming lavender rejuvenates the skin for gorgeous radiance. As you can imagine, because of the words that it says, I actually used this back in the day. It is a 3.3 fluid ounces, and it says lather with warm water, then cleanse skin. It is oat milk, almond oil, honey, lavender, and then there are a couple parabens, methyl and polyparaben. When they say no parabens, are those the parabens they're talking about? So this has parabens in it. Why is it we don't like parabens? I hope I remember to Google that. It's been a lot of years since I used this, probably back before I even knew what a paraben or a phthalate was. It doesn't have much of a smell at all. It's just kind of that clean oaty scent. Oaty. Oaty. Okay, next out we have soap. And she's got, I think it's soap. Yes, soap. And can you guys tell she has glitter? Yeah, there we go. It's glittery. Oh, banana. Banana. Do you guys love the Minions? I love the Minions. Banana. 3.5 ounces, and it has rapeseed oil, coconut oil, glycerin, coconut yogurt, fragrance, extra virgin coconut oil. So if you don't love coconut, I would not use this one. And there are people who do avoid coconut products. It has gardenia extract. Everything has gardenia. That must be our theme this month. Oh, it smells so good. Banana. I'm using the coffee one that I got from Cut the Crap Organics. I hear what you're saying about I get a lot of bath products. I do. I hear what you're saying, but what I'm telling you is, and I use them all. I'm probably 2/3 of the way done with that. You know, natural soaps go so quickly that you need to have a, oh, she's gonna make me shiny. You need to have a lot coming in, or how do you stay shiny? Okay, and I think last out we have, oh, narcotic. This is a shower gel going way back, way back, way back. We're in our DeLorean time machines, and it says lavender water brings balance as fresh lemon juice and tea tree oil bring clarity for clear, confident skin. It is 3.3 ounces, and the callouts are rose petal infusion. It's not going to smell like rose petal if I recall this at all. There's nothing rose petally about it. Lavender, fresh lemon, fine sea salt, lemongrass, sage oil, tea tree oil, and fragrance. Again, methylparaben. Are these the parabens we don't like? I kind of want to say just don't even tell me if they are. Yeah, I thought I remembered this would smell nothing like rose. You wouldn't even know this had ever once even walked by a rose, much less that it had rose in it. Tea tree, citrus. Scent, but not rose. Actually, I think my husband would like this. It's not just masculine. It's not like, I mean, I would use it. I'm not saying it because it's so masculine. I'm just saying he likes to have the gels too sometimes. And I think this is one that he would like better than the ones that I get that are rosy. This one is not. Okay, Lush. That was our Lush box for January. We unboxed retro favorites, which is interesting because I think that's what we're always doing, right? I mean, the whole point of the Lush kitchen box is sometimes they say they're going to test new things on us that might come out. I think since I've been getting it, so like 2 or 3 of theirs and then 3 or 4 probably of the UK ones, I don't think I've ever been tested on. I think it's always been throwback products. So I think they're all retro favorites. We have the Narcotic, the Starcraft, yes, Starcraft face wash, the Slammer bath bomb, the Banana Moon soap, and the Auntie Pamela bubble bar. Oh, and most importantly, our lovely Lush tote. I can't even imagine what that would cost. In the store, that would probably cost $20 easily. And that was January. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. I'm gonna go look up those parabens. Let's have a conversation about parabens down in the comments. That could be the deciding factor on whether I keep getting this box. And I hope I see you again really soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. Take care, guys. Bye.